Learn to listen to someone in a Scottish Gaelic conversation and ask follow-up questions to get reaffirmation of what was said. Listen to the following text. The topic is Eacarsaich, which means exercise. Han dunne kan agus misher som barach Eacarsaich dhéanamh an an air glan. Ha sin gen viach gvel maar son ar sláinte. Chai sin go tíir man nátar an dé. Chunnig mi éan, se clavan a bhaun. Vai na chui an an cröv son minich. Moest du jichtje liche gaan chulje. Now train your ear to listen out for certain words or word groups. Glan. Ar slaantje. Tíir man nátar. Éan. Klavan. Kröv. Gaan chulje. Listen to the full text again and see if you can spot those words. Han dunne kan agus misher som barach Eacarsaich dhéanamh an an air glan. Ha sin gen viach gvel maar son ar sláinte. Chai sin go tíir man nátar an dé. Chunnig mi éan, se clavan a bhaun. Vai na chui an an cröv son minich. Moest du jichtje liche gaan chulje. Now it is your turn to show the person that you've actively listened and are interested in the conversation. Here are some question examples you could ask. Có ha som barach Eacarsaich dhéanamh? Well, han dunne agus mis som barach Eacarsaich dhéanamh. Cáin déintse Eacarsaich? Where? Well, an an air glan. Cáin deach sibh an dé? Chai sin go tíir man nátar. Dé chuniku. Chunig mi éan. Notice how we moved from shift to u. We're just following the text. Dé bhaun. Se clavan a bhaun. Dé rain an chain. What did it do? Well, vai na chui an an cröv. Cáin deach an chain an uair sin. Chai an chain gaan chulje. Notice how I'm replying with the same verb in the same tense. Cáin deach an chain, chai an chain. Ciamara chai an chain gaan chulje. Jichtje liche gaan chulje. Also notice how I changed an chain to because an chain is a masculine noun. Here is another way you can ask a question about what was just being said. An tuairteach an fachcha tú éin. You will get the yes answer, thuairst. If, on the other hand, you had asked, an tuairteach an fachcha tú cú, did you see a dog? The answer would be chatuairst. No. Notice how I'm putting the emphasis on tuairst, not on the cha particle. It's a definite no. Chatuairst. Also notice that the T in tuairst is sometimes softened to a d sound. So from chatuairst to chadúrst. Now it is your turn to practice listening.